let's just look at these two diagrams for a second. Alright, so A of, on the left, represents the chances of A happening, and B represents the chances of B happening. And A and B represent the smaller chance of both of them happening. Very good. Now, in the bottom right-hand corner, or the one that you're looking at now, maybe, or the right side one, I don't know, we have two circles, the probability of A happening, another circle, the probability of B happening, and then we have their conjunction shaded, the probability of both of them happening, or in other words, the probability of A in the cases that there is... right, in the cases that there is B. Right, but it's just graphically, you're still looking at a dark shaded area and comparing it to the rectangle. I feel like there should be something in the picture to be like, to gray out the outline of circles A and of the rectangle. And be like, yo, we're talking about just the B circle, the proportion of it that is dark. Which is much higher than... Yeah, gotcha. Cool. Okay, great. Here's an example. The Greys have two children. The elder is a girl. Knowing this, what is the probability that both are girls? Let's translate the question into a conditional probability. Namely, the probability that the first is a girl and the second is a girl, given that the first is a girl. Or in fancy notation, prob first equals girl and second equals girl, bar first equals girl. The formula tells us to divide the conjunction, which we already calculated to be 0.25, by the simple probability for the second child, 0.5, and we get 0.5. Or thinking classically and concretely, girl, girl, one possibility, divided by girl, girl, and girl, boy, two opportunities, equals 1/2. Very good. So this has to do with the Monty Hall, right?